How tough are ACCA examinations? Hi, I'm Reza Baker and I am an ACCA member. A lot of students are wondering, should I take up ACCA? Is it going to be tough? Would I be able to clear the examinations? Would I have to drop the course midway? So to answer all of this, you need to understand how the difficulty level of ACCA is. So to give you a small insight, let me just tell you my journey. Me personally as a student, I had opted to go for the NEET medical entrance examination. After 12th, I went for NEET, and from my experience, I found that the difficulty level could be somewhat subjective. That is, if you're a student who had completed your 12th, you can understand that this would be the easiest examination of your life. But if you were to go for some examination which are competitive in nature, such as JEE, NEET, the UPSC exams, it would be some of the most toughest examinations, and 12th being the most easiest. So where does ACCA lie in this? It comes around somewhere in the middle. That is, these examinations are not the toughest and neither is it more the easiest. It lies somewhere in the middle. So would I be able to crack ACCA examinations? That is for you to decide, because it requires a lot of hard work, but yes, it is manageable and yes, it can be cracked. So a lot of students are wondering, is mathematics important? Yes, mathematics is important, but however, let's bring in some clarity into it. The mathematics required for ACCA is arithmetical maths. That is, when you are a student who was in, somewhere in 8th, 9th and 10th, the maths that you studied over there, that is basic maths such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares and roots. These would be the kind of maths that's required to crack ACCA examinations. We do not have complicated maths such as integration, differentiation, matrices or even trigonometry. So the mathematical requirement is there, but however, the skill that you need can be harnessed, and if you are perfecting it through it, you will be able to crack the ACCA examinations. And again, these are just maths which are required for your real life application. The next concern that students have is that if I'm a school topper, is this journey going to be easy for me? And also, if I'm back in academics, is it going to be tough for me? Again, to answer this question, what you have to understand is that your past is irrelevant. That is, if you were a very good student in academics, that doesn't mean that ACCA is going to be a very simple journey for you. And again, if you were very poor in academics, that doesn't mean that the ACCA journey is going to be very tough for you. If you are willing to put in the right amount of effort, you can easily crack the ACCA examinations. So what is required actually? So as a student, if you have the proper dedication, aspiration and consistency, definitely you can crack the exams. And in order to do that, a lot of people believe that we have to sit and study for 12 to 14 hours a day. But that is not true. What we do require is that consistent amounts of effort. That is, on a daily basis, you have to study around 2 to 3 hours. If you are willing to do that, you can easily sum up to the concepts and easily crack the examinations. So how exactly are the exams of ACCA? The exams of ACCA are conducted for 100 marks. And in order to pass one examination, what you need is 50 marks. And again, let me repeat this. What you have to keep in mind is that you can write one exam at a time. There are a total of 13 papers in ACCA. Just write one paper at a time and score 50 marks in the 100-mark examination. And yes, you will be able to clear all your papers. Another question that a lot of students ask is, where can I get good classes to study ACCA? ACCA, the body itself, has addressed this question. There are 3 levels of learning providers: the Platinum Learning Provider, Gold and Silver. Platinum is the highest accreditation that ACCA has given to the learning providers. So if you're making a decision, make sure that you choose a Platinum approved learning partner of ACCA. If you have someone who has been closely following up on social media handles, you can see that the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya has consistently produced wonderful results and released so many affiliates and members into the industry. Lakshya has a wonderful track record of creating the most number of affiliates and similarly a lot of rank holders at the same time. So what are you waiting for? To make the right decision, choose the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya. If you have any queries, please put it in the chat box, and we'll be coming up with more videos related to ACCA. This is Reza Baker signing off. Bye-bye.